Okay, let me see your hockey shot. Let me see a slap shot. Slap shot. Oh, good wrist shot. Go get it. Truff, drop the puck. Truff. Come here, Truff. Drop that puck. Thank you. Alright.
Okay.
Here you go.
Daddy, move it.
There you go. Alright, let's see a slap shot. Let's see a slap shot. Are you gonna put it on its side? So it gets air. Alright, let's see the slap shot.
Dad.
Go ahead, slap shot. Slap shot. Nicely done. Woo! We'll go pass.
Daddy.
Go get it, go get it. Alright, now pass it to Daddy. Pass it to Daddy. Get the puck and shoot to Daddy. Pass it. Good pass.